and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I am going to be unboxing the Safari Edition from Paint Gem, and I love Paint Gem's kits. So if you have not picked up one of these, you will want to consider it, especially after you see how cute these are. So hang on and let's get started. Alright, so on their boxes it does say what is in the box, which this is a Safari Edition. Also on the back of some of these, not all of them, but on some of them it will have the names of whatever's in here. So since this is a Safari Edition, it's going to have all of the names of the type of animals that is on the canvases. So I definitely want to keep the back of this. So I'll just take that off, and what I usually do is I'll just mash it down, and hopefully these are numbered. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. I am an affiliate with Paint Gem, just to let everybody know. If you would like to save 10% on your first order from them, or you can use the code one time, that is Debbie in all caps, and you can see that underneath my description. It's never expected, always appreciated. I may earn a small commission on it, but it'll save you guys some money too. So that's what I'm really trying to do. So what comes in a Paint Gem kit is everything that you're going to need. And these kits are absolutely perfect in order to travel. You can just stick them in your carry-on bag if you're going to fly, or you can just take them in the car. I've taken them on a plane. I have taken them just in a car going to a cabin that we like to rent, and they're perfect because they're small. Our car is always packed, so they always work very well, and I don't want to take anything large. So we have our toolkit. It's in this really nice bag here. It says Paint Gem. Let me open all of this. We have a diamond painting pen. It does have multi-placer on the end. Can't get it to focus. Single placer there. We have plastic tweezers. I don't use these, but they do come in handy. You can put this little squishy on the end of your pen. It does help for blisters or anything. I don't use the pen either, but this is also a two-placer that you can use. We do have a heart of wax, and with this wax, make sure you take the plastic off both sides, or you will not be able to load your pen, and that would be an issue. We also have a boat, a small boat. Now, after you've been diamond painting for a while and you want to upgrade your tools, you can do that individually, but for now these tools work out fine if you are new or if you just don't want to pay for the extra tools. We are right in the beginning of our Paint Gem event. So these are really cute, and I usually don't do them in order. I will just go through, pick one out, and I'll do one in between large projects, or if I just want to do something small and want to have a finish, then I will go through and do, a couple of these a night. But let's look and see what is in this kit. So the first one is a rhino. Then we have a tiger, a panda, a hippo, an ibex, which to me looks like a deer. Then we have a gorilla, a camel, a lemur, a koala, a fox, a zebra, a buffalo, a lion, an elephant, a giraffe, and then we have a hyena. So all of these will have the same chart, will have the same symbols, and so a couple of these do look rather dark, but then once you get used to the symbols on one, it becomes easier as you go through what you have in your kit. And so now we have all of the drills. Now I have never run out of drills for paint gems. Sorry for the crinkling. I've always had plenty. And I can already see there's going to be a lot of static, you guys. So much static. I don't know if it's because of my basement. I am going to figure out something. I think I can get a humidifier to put down here and see if that works. I've never had problems until now. And every time I open a kit, I just want to cringe because of all the static. But I'm not going to kit this up for a week or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some small slivers of dryer sheets in each one of these, and then I'll just shake it up. I'm going to let it sit for a few days, and then I'm going to kit these up. Now these did come in order. I've just gotten them every which way, but I'll put them back when I'm ready to kit up. And if you wanted to, if you like working out of baggies, you could just look at this one. This is 3827. And so you would just go over to 3827. These are not in order on here. You'd go to 3827. You could just peel that off, put it on your bag, and you are good to go. But I cannot diamond paint out of bags. I don't care the size of the kit. I cannot do it. So I like to take these. I will put them in a small container. If these are 30 or less on the colors, I have a paint gem container that I use, but if not, then I have another one. So I'll have to go through and see. This is like 28 colors. So if it's only 28, then I will have no problem. I will go ahead and put it in there, which is what I prefer to do. But if it does have a lot of colors, I cannot do that. So until then, I can put all of my paint gem drills back in this bag, or I can just put them in here. But I like to put them all together. And then what I'll do whenever I kit up, I will keep this. I'll keep this box. I will put my canvases in the box. And then whenever I am ready to diamond paint, I will label my container because I have several of these kitted up. And then I'll be ready to go. But if I wanted to go out of town, all I have to do is just put it in this box. I can even put it in here if I wanted to once it's kitted up, since I'm not using the containers. And I already have everything ready. Get my container, have that out. And then I have a small bag where I do have my pen, and I'll have a tray, and I will also have my wax and my glue dots, and then I will be ready to go out of town. Or sometimes I even take these to work. I can work on these in my spare time at work, which I don't have much, but when I do, I can. And then also I can work on my lunch hour, and I do a couple of these. So let's go and see who won last week's gift certificate, and then we will go over next week. The random YouTube picker has chosen the name that is on the screen. Congratulations, and make sure that you contact me either through Facebook, instant message, or you can contact me through Instagram, or you can email me, and I will get you set up for the gift certificate from Patsy Putty. Now let's get back to our Safari edition. Congratulations to the winner. Make sure that you do contact me so that I can give you the information you need for your gift certificate. And next week's, let's use the word jungle. It's kind of a strange word to put into a sentence, but Jungle. And that is because this is a Safari edition, and I didn't want to do just one particular animal, so we can go with jungle. And next week we have a gift certificate from another sponsor, and that is from Angie's Sparkle Addiction Art. I'm sure a lot of you know her, and if you are working on a paint gem that has pink in it, then you can also use that paint gem box and join her event that she is hosting right now in February. Thanks so much, everybody. Hope that you enjoyed this video. And next week, I am going to have this kit out again, and I'm going to kit it up. I'm going to prepare to start using it because I can't wait to start on this one. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, and then you will also be able to come back and see next week. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I have several videos that you might enjoy. I have other paint gems that I will put underneath the description for the playlist, and you can check on that one if you really liked this one. If you really love paint gem as much as I do, then you may want to see those videos. Hope you have a great day, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye!